Took him down.
Oh yeah, shit.
Yeah. No! Yo,
Two
bro.
things I never seen a nigga named Bigfoot and a hoe I need.
Yes.
Keep the back door closed, gotta lock it, throw away the key. We can be a state away, you turn if I ain't got my ski. 2023, we got built-in switches.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Niggas trip, they can run right. You throw feet so we
Love Pakistan, I sacrifice my life for
Kill mama boy, jumped out the porch. Know a nigga had to babysit him on God. Not wait off the nigga like a BBL. Slide out day like a CDL. Hard skip a beat like a CD player. Fuck a classy bitch, I want a ratchet bitch. Give me a city girl. I'm capping fuck. Tell Dre I'm Michelle of the young nigga rock up world. Come on, rich, listen, chain, listen. Like my man was tripping. Memphis nigga, talk with a slur. She say my grandma different. Police come get me, my name Benny. Nigga, I wasn't in it. Fuck the judge, nigga, I'm illiterate. I be dodging sentences. Pistol packet, never lacking. Run up, get your issue. Guns clapping, pussy grabbing. Donald Trump militia. Pants sagging, mama nagging. Like who raided nigga? My bitch like a backwood. Your hoe like a Swiss.
Bitch, I'm a pistol packing, yeah, what's cracking? Paper, he go missing. Fully auto ARP, with the scope so I don't miss. Ask the city about me, nigga, they gon' tell you I've been spinning. On the street, who got more killers? Know them pussies ain't the feeling. Anyway, I just made 50K, spent 30 on my dinners. Other 20 on my image, like 3
Hey guys, I'm in New York City just hanging out.
In the bitch, now I have combos about business. Real estate and gaming, bitches doubled up, ain't need a witness. Think I'm a hoe, come and show me. Been ballin' Ginobili, no killers, that's Hoovers and Rollers. With this chop, I shoot like I'm Kobe. So if you don't know me, it's best to walk light if you trolling. 600 in my hood, I control it.